Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. ShahTareen Swati is here from Biosciences with ShahTareen Swati. And now I have a good news for all the students, especially who are doing research or want to do the research on coronavirus. I'm starting a new series of lecture from Biosciences with ShahTareen Swati. So before starting this, I have a very humble request to all of you. Must subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with others. If you are sharing the biosciences with others, means you are sharing the knowledge with others. So promote the concept of free education for all and share this video and my channel with other. So as I told you that I'm now going to start the series of lectures on coronavirus, and the series name is Corona series, and you will see inshallah almost 6-7 lectures, maybe more than 6-7 lecture, and all these lecture I have created on the basis of the research article. And inshallah I will give you the links related to all these research articles in my description box, so you can easily find out and download the research article from the link given in the description box. Inshallah, I will deliver the first lecture today on coronavirus, and you will see a number of lectures on the history and mechanism of life cycle and many more other things, vaccination and the research going on, and which things, which particles are which part of the coronavirus you can use for your research, and you can make the vaccines from them, and which is going on throughout the world on the vaccine trials which are going on animals and also on the human being too. And I will discuss all these things inshallah with you people. So keep watching my channel for the corona series if you are interesting and interested in doing research on coronavirus. So must watch this, and inshallah you will see very soon my first lecture today or tomorrow inshallah. And thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing my channel, and kindly share my channel and the videos with others and convey the knowledge, and don't break the chain of conveying knowledge to the other. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.